All right, today I want to show you some cool stuff you could do with Rhodes. First, I got to show you these settings. On the EQ, I clean up the bottom end down here and boost 800 cycles a little bit. And then I boost 6K, and then I cleaned up the top end like around 15,000 hertz. And then I add revival, and then I'm compressing for the louder peaks. So it went from sounding like this to sounding like that. Then I'm using the micro shift to make it sound wider. And it went from sounding like this to sounding like that. And then some flange for modulation. And then tremolo for motion. Add a little bit of movement to the track. Right? So now I have to add some plate, add a little bit of dimension and depth. Instead of putting the plate on the signal, I put the plate on the tremolo and the flange. So here's what the plate on the tremolo and flange sounds like. To me, that's beautiful. Here's before. After. Okay, now let's hear it in the track.
Do what only you can do. It's all the eyes they well up, and all the smiles come out of hiding. Embrace the love and fill your cup with anything and everything you find residing deep within your soul. It's time they know that you've been chosen to do great things. You are more than what you've been revealing. Let it out and let it shine. And know that it's only a matter of time until they know as well as you know. Know you may not have the loudest voice, but you could sing above the noise. The flashing lights, the endless toys, take all that you hear and